Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. That's alright because I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. That's alright because I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie. I can't tell you what it really is. I can only tell what it feels like. I run now, it's like still nothing more bad. I can breathe but I still fight. Well, I can't fight as long as the wrong feels right. It's like mid-flight. However, love, jump for all the hate. It's like I'm having pain, but I love it. I suffocate. Right when I'm about to drown, she suffocates me. She fucking hates me, and I love it. Wait, where you going? I'm leaving, you know you ain't. Come back. It's like we're running down the same track. Here we go again, it's all I say. Cause when it's going good, it's going great. I'm Superman. She's low slain. But when it's bad, it's awful. Oh snap, who's that dude? I don't even know his name. I lay hands on her. I never sleep so low again. I guess I just don't know my own strength. Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. But that's alright because I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. That's alright because I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie.
Hey guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe.
Alright, thanks, bye.
For more videos, comment, subscribe, like, share. Thank you. Peace.